Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches, and today I got this giant box in from the Green Fairy Quilt Shop. If you'll remember a little while back, I posted that they had a really good coupon. I think it was the Friends and Family discount, and it stacked on top of things that were already on sale. So I took advantage of that sale, and I cannot wait to share with you guys what I got because I picked up a little bit of stuff. I've been kind of anticipating this box coming in. You can be extra careful because it's chock full of fabric. They have some really great deals over at Green Fairy. Like even their stuff that's not a daily deal is still a good deal. So I'm pretty excited about that. Oh no, looks like something was out of stock. But that's okay. We'll make it work. Okay, so I grabbed a couple different things here. I have some yardage, and they had a really good deal on these jelly rolls. So this is Anne of Green Gables. You've probably seen it. It's not the newest line, but I really like it. I think it's really cute. Let's see. The jelly roll by Anne of Green Gables was $36, so that's way better than the $50-ish that you see all the time in all of the shops. And then I also got this charm pack. So I guess I only got one charm pack. Yes, one charm pack. So the charm pack, pretty normal, was like $12. And then they had that discount on top of what you were already getting. And then the other thing I got was this layer cake. This is by Riley Blake. I don't see the designer on the back. It says Feed My Soul by Sandy Gervais. I just think that this line is super pretty. So I will break it open here in a moment and let us see all the fun, good stuff. But only after I use my lint roller on it because these are going to go everywhere. But I have a couple of quilt patterns that I wanted to do with these pre-cuts, and so I bought some yardage to go with them. And what I have here is going to be my backing fabric for the Anne of Green Gables quilt. And then I also bought, I feel like I'm missing something. Let's see. Anne of Green Gables floral yardage, violet, that's this one. So I got this one. So what I'm going to do is make a jelly roll quilt. And so I'm going to show you on one hand if you want to make it with a jelly roll, and on the other hand if you want to buy yardage, how you would cut the yardage to get the same pieces. But it's going to be a fun quilt. So I got the violet yardage and I got the green yardage. I guess I got 3 of this one and 2 of this guy. And then, oh, that's what was refunded, was my main body. I'm going to have to find that somewhere else. Okay, well, you know, when you buy something and it's on sale, sometimes you don't get all the pieces that you wanted. I really wanted a layer cake, but they didn't have that in this particular line, so we're going with a different pattern because you got to be able to pivot, right? Anyways, I'm really happy with this, with the exception of that one which was refunded. I have enough here for 2 whole quilts, and then this one's going to be a separate project. So let me get you guys some close-ups of these beautiful fabrics because they really are quite stunning. I mean, I think that as a quilt, when you see it from that distance, you'll see the color value when you really pull back from the quilt. So let me get you guys some close-ups and I'll show you all the fun stuff. Okay guys, so here's the fabric that I grabbed as our backing. Isn't that just going to be lovely? I may even use this as a border or 2. We'll see if I can't find that other text print. And then I also grabbed this to be another big slab of our color. for one of the quilts and this. So I am just really excited about this kind of basil violet color wheel that we've got going on. It's different than anything I've really sewn lately. And I'm going to just open the charm patch because that's going to give us all of the colors without quite as much fluff. All right. Yeah, the charm packs will still shed on me, but maybe not as bad. We'll see. So you can still use this trick to get the extra stuff off of it that we used on our jelly roll, but it just seems like jelly rolls, they're the worst for shedding stuff everywhere. And I do like to kind of flex the fabric so that more of the ends are exposed. All right. So we've got that pretty purple floral here. And the colors just, they all blend so nicely. So that one's slightly different, a little bit daintier. And then our tonal. And we've got some plaids. And another floral. I just think that this is so cute. It's sweet. It's delicate. Dare I say innocent? Oh, that's really cute too. And I am kind of a sucker for text. I haven't even read what these say. Looks like it's her journal. That's fun. And another floral. And then we've got this odd print here that's a little bit more cartoony, a little bit more landscape. So it's the house and her reading and riding in the wagon, if you're familiar with the story, and her friends. But it's not overpowering, and there's not just a ton of that in that line. So that's the same as our backing. And then another smaller print. Kind of daintier, another one. So there's a lot of variety. It's very floral, it's very feminine, it's very soft. I would not be able to use my Bella Solids on this one because I used one that is pretty white. This was what I had tried to order in the yardage. So I'm going to try to find that somewhere else, see if I can't get my hands on it. If you know of anybody who has some for sale, let me know. Okay, so this is that same print, but in the green backing. I don't know. It feels very girly, but I like it. And I haven't done anything like this in quite a while. I think I made a purple quilt maybe like 5 years ago. It's been a while. It's time for another purple quilt. I like that too. So you have your two kind of different tones of green. So it just feels like it has a lot of depth to me. Like it's very outdoorsy and natural and floral, but it has a lot of depth. So I'm really excited to sew this one out. I can't wait to share it with you guys. And let's see our layer cake. I don't even know what I'm doing with this one yet. I just bought it because it looked cute and it was on sale. Two of my favorite things. Whoops. I'm going to go right through here, guys. There we go. You know, and I wonder why my seam ripper is always dull. It's probably not what I'm supposed to be doing with it. Okay, so we've got kind of all of those colors in this bundle. And it's honestly, it's kind of an odd assortment of colors, which is a little bit of what has drawn me to it. It's not, definitely not in my normal wheelhouse. Let me get a fresh. Okay, so again, I feel like if you kind of roll it up, it just leaves you more exposed edges. So that's why I do it that way. And who knows, guys, I may not like this when it all comes together as a quilt. I just thought it was kind of fun and different. I mean, look at that color wheel already. So we've got the fun florally print from the front. And I like that because it's my favorite color. I think that's why I like this line, is because it has, I guess what's odd about it is probably this color kind of mixed in with it. But I think it'll all pull together nicely because they've got these kind of mid-tones that are pulling it all. And this next print here is really cute. Isn't that cute? I don't want a big backing of it. It's a little too much for that, but I think it's really cute. So I think it's going to be fun. Looks like we're getting about 2 of each print in this bundle. And now we're getting into the little bit more olivey greens. Ooh, I like that. That's cute. I don't know about that one. But that's the beauty of these groups, is like once you start putting it all together in a quilt, even if it's not your favorite fabric, if it matches everything else, I think it just gives it more depth. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. Did I skip one? I think I did. Hold on. I did. That's interesting. Yeah, so I would never have picked this fabric to go with this group, but I really do. I think it's going to come together nicely and work out just fine. So then we have that same print with all the different, that kind of reminds me of like the way you would plan out a garden when you start boxing out, drawing out where all your vegetables are going to go. I don't know why. I don't know why. I can't see. There we go. I've been gardening a lot lately and all my nails have broken, and so I can't grab things anymore. That's interesting. So I think it's going to be a fun line to sew with. I don't know what I'm going to be sewing with it yet. So if you have a suggestion or a pattern that you really like right now, forward it on over to me. We'll have to come up with something. Oh, that's almost salmon. That's really a different shade. Yeah, so I think it's going to be fun. We're going to sew something out with it eventually, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Okay, guys, so that is my entire stash that I got from that sale. I have a 5-yard backing. I have 3 yards of the basil, 2 yards of this, the jelly roll, the charm pack, and the layer cake, and I got a $38 discount on top of their already low prices because that was the deal they were running for the weekend. So that's why I like to pass these deals along to you guys when I see them. I definitely try to post about them and let you know, because we all want to save a little money when we can. I hope you like these videos. If you do, like and subscribe to the channel. That helps me out a ton. Until then, I will see you guys next time.